Hi, this is Donovan at 6 Playa Verde, and here we are looking at the water tanks. You can see the valves I put on the front. I built a little stand so we can get into the tanks without risking our lives. Easy to inspect the tanks. Here is the drop inlet, and here is the backflow, the 4-inch back drain from behind the retaining wall. And you can see on the left there is a green line that's the existing 4-inch storm drain that is being removed. We're using it temporarily, but the 6-inch line is going up the hill. You can see it comes out of the ground, and we had to use a couple of 22s on it to get the slope right. And we're going up the hill. We have a 6x6 Y, and then we have another 22 to get the pitch right. Then you can see there it's going up to a 40 to a 45 going around the corner, and also you can see it's going up to a 45 that goes up the hill. We have not completed getting it up the hill. You can see we have another bracket up there where we're going to be installing it, and you can see that the drain, the new storm drain from the filters, you can see that. I'll show that to you in a minute. The filters come down the hill here, and here you can see the storm drain where it comes down the hill and then comes up at a 45-degree angle. And this is the clean out for the storm drain, where we have it feeding this tank here and we have it feeding this tank here. And yes, there is a discrepancy in the tanks. The left-hand tank is about 4.5 or 5 inches less tall than the other one, which is where the manufacturer screwed me. We have a heavy steel clamp epoxied into the concrete wall to hold the thing here. And here you can see we have a couple of 45s. And then also you can see where we have the 6x6 by 4-inch Ys. We have a 22 and a 45, bringing it up to vertical for the overflow for the tanks. And here is the other end of that, where we have the 6x6 by 4, a 22 and a 45, bringing this up to vertical, where this will be anchored right into the, this will be attached here. Now, when we attach these things, we like to use rubber clamps in case we ever need to work on anything to fix a leak or something like that. And then we have a 6-inch riser that's going to be cut off after we get done backfilling. We just left it run wild here. And here are the clean outs for the back drains. We're going to trim those down to the top of the V-ditch. And you can also see the pump line for the storm drain, the sump pump for the rainwater off the pool house is coming in here. It's going into a bulkhead fitting right here. And then it's tough to get pictures in this light sometimes. Then this guy here is the gas line, and there's the electrical line. So it's all coming together, and just you see what's going on up the hill is we still have some work to do. We have to connect the filter and tie it into the strainers, but that's it for today. Thanks. Bye-bye.